Before we get started, I really want to put these wheels back on because I want to do burnouts. I've been on the radials, I've been on the welds for a while, and they're not great burnout tires, go figure. But this tire has a nail in it somewhere, I guess, because it just has no air in it. And these things, dude, these things pull fucking nails like nothing. So, we got a bottle of soapy water here. We're gonna see if we can find an air bubble or two. A good way to find leaks is you just fill a spray bottle with soap and water, get a little foamy, and then see if you can figure out where the bubbles are coming from. The air from the leak will create bubbles, and you should be able to spot it if you're not fucking blind. Man, these tires are also really bad about catching nails. I have never caught so many nails in my life than with these wheels. Brother, where art thou? It's the fucking valve stem. There we go. We found it. It's the valve stem. She's blowing bubbles. Look, she's blowing more. There she goes. You prick. You fat piece of shit. That sucks. Well, we're gonna change it back to these anyway because I want to do burnouts again. All right, so you know how they say like never meet your heroes? They say like that thing or that person that you idolize, you should never meet them because you'll be disappointed, right? You've built up the image in your head about what it should be, and then when you finally get it, it's not gonna be what it's cracked up to be. You know, I genuinely think the phrase is never meet your heroes. Yeah, that's not the truth for me. This is the best thing I've ever done, hands down. Like, without a doubt, like, it's exactly what I wanted. I had this whole speech prepared about, like, how I was gonna try to sell this video as, like, oh, you shouldn't really meet your heroes or whatever, but it's exactly what I wanted in a vehicle. I mean, it's, like, the perfect medium of everything. It's reasonably priced. It's just beat up enough to where I don't feel bad about driving the dog shit out of it everywhere I go, which I do. I do everywhere I drive this car. I just fucking romp on it and I have a good time. I get sideways, I enjoy it. It's exactly what I wanted. It's really weird. Like, usually I feel like when I have something that I really want, I have to jump through a bunch of hoops to get it, and it's like such a pain in the ass, and in the end I'm always questioning whether or not it was worth it. Go figure, I made a video about that. This has been the only thing that I have purchased, and I will say casually. This was such a casual experience that's worked out to be exactly what I wanted. It's actually jarring because, like, normally I'm used to, like, all the bullshit. I'm usually, like, having to jump through the hoops, and I have to 5 years to get it. Dude, this was an afternoon. I got on Auto Trader and I found a car that fit my criteria, the mile wise, the price wise, and cosmetic wise. You know, really, I really wanted the interior to be good, right? And I was like, oh, well, I'll go up there and see what they'll give me for my car. I'm sure it's not going to be what I want. And it was what I wanted for my car, and we did the deal in, like, it was such a low effort process that it's like, it doesn't feel right sometimes. But everyone's always like, yo, when are you gonna mod it? When are you gonna cam it? When are you gonna supercharge it? And it's like, brother, I bought this car because I like this car. Like, I've always wanted this car since I was in high school. I lusted after this car. I knew that this is what I wanted, and I'm enjoying it stock. I know that sounds crazy. When have I ever done that? It's still got the stock wheels. The windows aren't even tinted, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna keep it that way. I don't want you guys to think that I'm not. I'm just taking my time and enjoying it in its purest form. This is how it came off the showroom floor, give or take 70,000 miles. And it's exactly what I thought it was gonna be. It's exactly what I wanted. You know, it's not insanely fast, but it's very quick. It's very powerful. That third to fourth gear, I haven't even topped out fourth gear because it just pulls so hard that I back out of it. I don't want to say that I'm scared of it, but, like, I'm a little bit nervous about it. You know, it's an older car, and it's basically a rocket ship on wheels. You know what I'm saying? So like, I've been really just enjoying myself with the car. I feel like that's so weird because on YouTube you have to be, we've talked about this, on YouTube you have to be like doing a billion different things at one time and have a bunch of shit going, a bunch of irons in the fire. No, I've just been enjoying it. It's just everything I wanted. I don't know how else to describe it. Never meet your heroes? Nah, man, this thing's perfect. I feel bad promoting that to you guys because, like, I want to tell you, just go out and buy the fucking Corvette. Just go out and buy the Corvette. This isn't financial advice. Don't put yourself in terrible financial jeopardy because you want a Corvette, but it's fucking worth it, dude. It's exactly what I wanted. And this is coming from a guy who's had a bunch of different cars. This is the best decision I've ever made. And you cannot convince me that this isn't the combo. This is it, dude. This is what you work for. This is the whole reason you do the bullshit, is for this. This is what it, well, and also this, you know? Hey man, you care if I do some donuts down here? Okay. Again, this is not financial advice, but buy the Corvette. You will not be upset, dude. Also, I'm gonna throw this here at the end. Look at all these packages. Yes, these are all Lingenfelter Customs and PPI orders, roughly like 250 Lingenfelter Custom orders. We get a bunch of stickers, and Harper, she's not for sale. But there is, no, you're not for sale. Don't do that. But yeah, these are getting sent out as well. Things are really starting to move forward with the t-shirt stuff. So thank you guys for the patience. Even Harper says thank you. Isn't that right, baby girl?